Well, this is what it looks like with my brain's not working this morning. It's not even 6 a.m. yet. Anyway, this material, when I remember the name, is aluminum on one side and butyl on the other. There you go, butyl tape. This is called a boot, this hole, and we taped all the way under it, a couple inches under this edge, going over a couple inches. It's secured, and the next step is to put mastic on all the joints. This stuff sticks really well to itself. I mean, insanely well, scary well, but there's some places where it needs some help for a long term, because as you know, things get hot, things get cold, and those thermal cycles can damage any kind of joint. So these hanging off the edge like this is not how it's going to be, but just for security purposes right now, just to hold it in place until it gets mastic on it, that's how it's going to stay. The video I've watched with the guy in the orange hoodie, he says you can use either those kinds of tape, nylon or fiberglass mesh tapes, or the butyl tape. And I have a 9-inch wide roll of this stuff that we used on the windows here in the house, so we're going to use it here. It makes for a lot less joints, and anyway, this part of the house smells a lot less like soot because of this. The other thing we did, see the round circular collar down there? We gooped that up with mastic all the way around. Even blind, we had to do it underneath on this other side. Phew. Anyway, what's happening is the front door, the whole house fan attached to the front door, since I don't have an attic in this structure, it's pulling air out of the duct system. And some of that's because the whole damn thing leaks. But in the mornings when I get up and I walk over here, I usually get hit in the face with that burnt house smell. But since we've sealed these two items up, it's been great. It's been absolutely outstanding. So when I run the air conditioner, which today it's supposed to hit 103, and then the next few days 111, this is what I do. The air pushes it up, the stiffness of the paper drops it down, and that keeps air from flowing the other way into the duct, and it keeps low pressure air from pushing it open. When the wind's blowing real hard outside, this will open, and that's because there's a lot of leaks in the system. It's leaking to the outside quite a bit, so we're taking care of that right now from above and below. Anyway, this is working. I'm real happy with it. We'll do some mastic on it soon. The bathroom just 4 feet that way is the next one that has to be done. It seems to produce a lot of soot smell. We've sandblasted under the house an awful lot, but we got to isolate the inside from the outside. So anyway, that's it for now. It's coming along well. This one was really difficult. It was the hardest one we've had, probably will ever have, and it looks really good and it works really well. See you, bye.